You've just picked up your phone after a few days away, but the pattern lock or passcode just isn't coming to mind. No matter the reason, getting locked out of your device is frustrating, but it doesn't have to be permanent. In today's video, we're diving into practical solutions to unlock your device safely and quickly. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the Wondershare Dr.Fone phone software. As you may already know, we've covered this software in a previous video, and it offers a wide range of features. For example, Google App Lock, Android Screen Unlock, Location Change, iCloud Activation, WhatsApp Transfer, Data Recovery, and many more. But in today's video, we will focus only on one specific feature, Android Screen Unlock. So, the Android Screen Unlock process is very simple. First, you just need to click on the Screen Unlock option. Then, you'll be asked to select your device, which phone you are using. As you can see, almost all Android brands are listed here. Now, here's an interesting fact. Except for Samsung devices, most other Android phones will require a full data wipe during the unlocking process. That means you will lose your data. However, for Samsung devices, there is an option where you can unlock the screen without any data loss. So, I'll show you both methods. First, let's try with a non-Samsung device. I have an Oukitel phone here, which is basically from Micromax. You can see Micromax is listed here, so I'll select it. After selecting, it asks me to power off the phone. Then, I need to press and hold the volume down and power button for a few seconds. Once the robot image appears, it guides me to the recovery menu. From there, I need to select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Factory Data Reset, Reboot System Now. Following these steps will remove the screen lock. Now, let's move to Samsung devices. Here, you can see two options. Remove Screen Lock, 100% removal, but with data loss. Remove without data loss. If you choose the first option, it works just like other Android phones. You'll need to perform a factory reset. But if you choose Remove without data loss, you need to connect your Samsung device to the computer. After connecting, the software will detect your device name and model. Then you click Next, and it will unlock your screen without deleting any data. Now, for demonstration, I'll use my Oukitel phone, which already has a screen lock enabled. You can see it has both face lock and pin lock. If I enter a random pin, it shows incorrect. So now, I'll recover it. First, I select the brand, then follow the instructions. I power off the phone. Then I press and hold the volume down and power buttons together. Following the instructions, I enter the recovery mode. Now I select Wipe Data/Factory Reset using the volume buttons and confirm with the power button. Then I select Factory Data Reset. As you can see, the data wiping process has started. It will take a little time. Once it's done, I select Reboot System Now by pressing the power button. Now the phone is restarting. Let's wait and check whether the lock has been removed. Alright, as you can see, the phone has completely reset. It's like a brand new device. It's asking for Wi-Fi setup, and there is no screen lock anymore. So, this is how you can unlock an Android screen using Wondershare Dr.Fone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check it out, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. You'll find the purchase link in the description if you want to try the software. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.